The Edition brand was one of the Marriott properties I had been wanting to check out for quite a while, and I finally had the chance to during my trip to Singapore. I was warmly greeted at the front desk with a cold towel, welcome drink, and some water to help beat the heat. Inside the room, there are two closets, with a large one able to store luggage and more drawers for storage. Next, there was a fully stocked bar with an espresso machine, plenty of water, as well as some snacks. In the corner is a nice armchair with some great views outside your room. As a lower tier gold member, I was even given an awesome welcome amenity of these delicious kaya donuts. In the center is a king bed that is very comfortable and kept with the minimalist design of the room. There were lamps at each end as well as controls from the room. The bathroom was spacious and beautifully designed with a large soaking tub, rainfall shower, and Edition branded Le Labo toiletries. Lastly, there was an automatic bidet style toilet that raised the seat once you got close to it. On the rooftop is the breathtaking infinity pool with plenty of seating. There's a cool feature where the pool has a transparent bottom which can be viewed from the garden below. The entrance to the rooftop houses an elegant bar and plush seating to relax. The gym was well equipped and even had some fruit and water refill stations. One thing you must do in Singapore is eat at the local famous hawker centers. You can try many of the local specialties like chicken and rice with some fresh sugarcane juice for very cheap and just people watch in this lively environment. Lastly, stop by Marina Bay Sands at nighttime to check out the crazy light show called Gardens by the Bay.